Hi friends. Today we're making green chili Today we're making green chili chicken tortellini Alfredo. Okay, so while the chicken's cooking, I'm gonna go ahead and start on my tortellini. This is just the 3 cheese tortellini from Buitoni. I don't know how to pronounce that, don't come for me. Okay, now we're gonna make the sauce. Brother, say hi to the people of TikTok.
Hey.
That's my cute little brother. I'm gonna do a little bit of olive oil in my pan and saute some onions.
Are you gonna use this chicken?
Yes, you can have some though. Okay, now that my onions got a little translucent and a little soft, I'm gonna go ahead and add some garlic. I'm a garlic girly. I love garlic. The more the merrier. Mom, say hi to the people at TikTok.
Oh, where?
Over here.
Oh,
no, this way. Come here.
No.
Cut it out. You look fine. You think I'm a diva. My mom's the bigger one. Ugh, my lighting. Anyway, we're gonna do half a cup of butter. 2 sticks, 1 stick, depending on how, you know. 1.5 cups of heavy cream. We're gonna whisk this all together. On low. Okay, so to my butter and cream mixture, I'm gonna dump a block of cream cheese in there. I ended up doubling the recipe because I like to feed people. We're hungry. We like food. Mom, maybe I'll become TikTok famous. I said maybe I'll become TikTok famous. You never know. My boyfriend. Okay. Just gonna break down that cream cheese. It's just okay. Now we're gonna measure with our hearts with seasoning. I always eyeball. I never, you know, we just eyeball it here. So first, I'm gonna go in with some Italian seasoning. Garlic powder. I'm a garlic girly. There's never enough garlic, honestly. A little bit onion powder. And some pepper. I'm just gonna mix that in there. Not me, almost forgetting the best part. Now we're gonna add our green chili. Grandma, if you're watching this, I'm sorry. You didn't bring me green chili. Just kidding. But I just bought this from the grocery store. This is just the hot, bueno, chopped green chili. Thank you. And we're just gonna, you know, pop that in there. So if you're not from New Mexico, you probably are like, what the hell is green chili? Green chili is like the best. How would you describe green chili, Mom?
A necessity.
A necessity, yes.
Yeah.
So good. I'm also gonna dump some Parmesan cheese in here. Now that the green chili is all incorporated, I'm just gonna add a bag of Italian style blended cheese right to the pot. And this is gonna make it delicious and cheesy and amazing. Look at that. So I just added a little bit of chicken broth in here just to thin it out a little bit. Okay, now that our sauce is done, I'm gonna go ahead and add my tortellini and chicken into the pot. Come on. Come on. And you literally just mix it all together and you got a pot of yumminess. Look at that. Amazing. If you try it, let me know. And enjoy.